Welcome to 1115 Brown Boulevard. This nicely updated 2-bedroom, 1 full bath duplex home. It's located in the Crestview Farms neighborhood in the Red Bank area of Lexington off of Platte Springs Road, convenient to I-20, Columbia Metropolitan Airport, as well as Lexington amenities. So you have a nice sized front yard coming off the street, and then you have a front patio space off the front of the home. We'll step inside into the living room off the entry. So you have a nicely updated interior. You have laminated hardwood flooring here in the living room that's off the entry, as well as a ceiling fan. You have nice neutral paint throughout as well as updated flooring in other areas. And you see a couple windows out towards the front yard. You have window unit ACs. There's a coat closet here in the living room. And as you can see, there's a pass-through to the kitchen. We have laminated hardwoods in here as well. Solid wood cabinets and an included electric stove, dishwasher, and on the opposite side, refrigerator. And then you have your laundry alcove here with full-size washer dryer connections, and there's a shelf above. And then your back door, you have a nice frosted glass window with the interior blinds inside of those. So it's actually, the blinds are actually inside the glass. And then you have a wood deck off the back of the home. Nice size yard, and as you can see, there is a storage shed, I believe, available for use as well back there. But you would want to inquire with management, just make sure that is available. And again, as you can see, nice sized kitchen, eat-in space for a dining room, for a small table there if you like as well. And then off the hall, you have your full bathroom, in addition to a linen and storage closet right next door to that. So you have a full tub and shower, tile surround in here, as well as a single vanity, some built-in shelving there. And then on the opposite wall, you have some linen closet or some shelving for linens, and then 2 bedrooms at the back of the home. So one faces the front, one faces the rear. You have a nice sized closet. This is the larger of the two, I do believe. And then you have a closet at the end here, which does have some additional built-in shelving on either end as it extends behind the door. And then the second bedroom, front facing, and the closet in here also has some additional built-in shelving on that left side as well. So that completes our tour of this nicely updated home in Lexington at 1115 Brown Boulevard. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.